Hey guys, it's me Nunya. Welcome back to Toy Reviews, and today we are looking at something completely different. A Mooshins playset and a meowmixx pack. A Season 2 meowmixx. So, which one are we gonna do first? Okay, I'm gonna start with the meowmixx. So, we have a meowmixx pack and a mooshins cat tree playset. So, let's play with the cat. Let's play with the meowmixx first. So we're having a cat-related Mooshi toy reviews thing. We're having a Mooshi cat-related toy review. So, we have meowmixx, Meow the Meow, Season 2. Season 2. meowmixx, Season 2. So let's combine. Let's see what. Okay. There's no coding at the back. Okay. So first we have a rabbit. Then we have a squirrel. A cat. Meow. Hippie and her cat and her. Fika listening to some music. And Mermal. That's what you get from this. And now we're gonna get to the Mooshis. Okay, enough with that. Alright. Now let's get to the playset now. So there's a huge history behind this playset. So this is a real toy, a Mooshi playset, and it has 6 different Mooshis and mooshins in there. And I'm gonna show you some comparisons of real Mooshis that I have. Alright, so let's unbox this. This figure, and we have this. Let's get this cat out. Oh, it's like a white cat, you say the least. It's like figure right now. Okay, let's get this cat out. Black cat, you say. Indie tabby cat. Let's get this cat out. Pink cat, you say the least. And this thing. So here's the playset out of the box. So let me zoom in so you can see. So here's the playset out of the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats. And I'm gonna show you some addictions to it. So it has this little watering can, so I don't know what this is supposed to do. So it's supposed to water it. We'll make a little story about this. So, but first, let's show you some comparisons. So first we have the white cat, and I already had it. You see the difference here. This is the mooshins. This is the original Mooshi white cat. You can see the moss. You can see it looks exactly the same. Next we have this is a tuxedo cat and a black and white cat. And here's the real one. You can see the difference between it. This is the real big Mooshi one. You can see the marks on the plate. And the next one, oh, the black cat. Then let me show you here. My real black cat that I have. This is my real black cat that I have. You can see the eyes are open And here is the mooshin version. See, the eyes are closed. And here's my favorite, the Mooshy cat. Mooshy pink one. Here's the original big version of this Mooshy cat. You see the eyes are the same size. Alright. And here is my second favorite one, the tabby cat. The ginger cat. The orange cat. So, here it is, the official ginger cat of the Mooshies, and you can see the eyes. You can see the eyes are closed like the exact same one. And here's lastly, the gray one. As you can see here, the gray one is more bigger than this one, but let me see if these Mooshies can fit inside of there. I think so. So let's have a story between this. So let's. So once upon a time there was 5 cats. There were 5 cats. There were 6 cats. So once upon a time there were 6 cats. Well, it looks like a lovely day in Mooshville. The Mooshy cats are doing their daily routine, planting some flowers and swinging on the swing set. Everything was fine and dandy until there was a knock at the door. Everything was fine and dandy until there was a knock at the door. Until there was someone coming. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Well, let's set. To the hamsters shocking, to the cats random shuckling. It was the teal rabbit, and she wants to go to a tea party. Do you want to join into the tea party? Yeah. Wow. So off they go in the top of the treehouse. They were in charge of it. Everyone was going inside the tea party, and they lived happily ever after. Hey, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hey. Hey, wait a minute. Would you like a cup of tea? Yeah. And all of a sudden, Nunya came. And Nunya tear that tree down. That was gone, baby, gone. And that's the end of this video. And hold on. This cat wants to get revenge. So he nibbles Nunya until she's dead. And that's the end of this story, guys. Like a man, I'm bang a bang bang.